everyone and welcome in this new video guide. So these are my brand new EA published last night on the MQL5 website, Lion King. It's a truly king of trading. I don't know, because that was I think maybe only me for now, because I got a pretty nice performance of this EA from this EA. If you scroll down, you will see some screenshot from my testing. Also, if you want, you can try this EA. You can use default value for Euro USD on H1, or you can use this set inside here inside this comment section. So what is the Lion King? So basically Lion King have this exactly the same trade engine as has Triple Double has. So just a second, I will show you where is. Okay, just a second. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, sorry. So Triple Double and the Lion King, it's my last two published EA, and use exactly the same trade engine. Only difference is money manager inside the money management system, nothing else. So the era of the cheap EA is finished last night, because I have a lot of pretty nice EA for very you can buy all these EA for very low price. It's a very cheap. I think every of these EA worth more than 1000 USD. Also, I have some EA for free. I offer some EA for free. For example, this IMA and this Cyborg EA. Some guys download these EA. Guys download these EA more than 1000 times so far. So IMA it's a pretty popular EA. So or for example, you can try any of these EA. So as I say, these EA worth at least any of these EA worth at least $1000. So you have option. You don't need to buy my EA, any of these EA. You can choose any other EA because this market it's a pretty huge market. Basically, I code EA only for MT5 MetaTrader platform because I use only these platforms so far. So I will see what I'm doing. What will I do in the future. So right now I make and develop and code only for MT5. So let's take a look at this. Yeah, that's me, sorry. So if you want to contact me, you can contact me inside. You can send me message here on the MQL5. Inside, click here on this message box. And if you have some question, then also we can chat here. Also, I can. If you want, for example, some set if you are already my customer and buy some of my license, and you need some new set for trading, then contact me here. I will send you here, also here on the MQL5 website using this message box. So also you can choose one of these social network too for contact me. So choose what you think it's the best for you. Now let's take a look. Oh, this crypto mama. Oh, sorry. So as you can see on this page, firstly I will explain. You probably know how to find this EA. Most easiest way to click on the link below this video, because I publish all interesting link below this video in the video description. Or you can go on this website MQL5, go to the market section, and inside the search bar type the name of the EA and click enter. Third option is go to your platform, and inside the platform you will see this yellow button at the bottom. Click on the market, type the name of this EA, click on this icon, then click on this download demo button. Automatically this EA will be installed inside this demo version of this EA will be installed on the platform, and then you can start testing this EA immediately. So as I said, the price is little higher, but you have one pretty nice option. You can rent this EA for 1 year, and the price is 65 bucks. So now I will let's back to the web page. Okay, as you can see here, you will find some information, basic information what this EA have inside him. So as I say, this EA have a pretty new, pretty advanced money management system, and this new money management system is pretty sensitive. You must take care. You must know that. I will show you a little later on what I mean. Then also they have automatically calculate trailing stop, sleep page too. So then you will see some information, basically what is regarding all this input. So if you scroll down, you will find some screenshot here. I think this screenshot is from these settings. Then this screenshot it's from default settings. Then there is a little different icon here on this screenshot, and for this EA, because I changed last morning, this morning this icon. I think it's better. I don't know. So these screenshot settings from this screenshot, it's not available for testing right now, but you can choose, you can use default value, or you can try to, or you can download these settings, I mean this set for testing. So right now I will show you some screenshot. That's my practice. Just a second to open for me. Okay, as you can see, this EA is pretty straightforward, and there is no lot of inputs here. First option is red. This red section is on the top. It's a money management system. Then we have exit rules, stop loss and take profit, and trailing stop. Of course, also everything is calculated in pips. Then we have this orange auxiliary. Inside this section we have only magic number and comment section input. Then this biggest green section, it's a signal section. So as you can see here, we have entry and exit rules. So right now I will show you how this expert look like inside my platform. Just a second to make transition. Okay, let's take a look this EA. As you can see, pretty small number of inputs. Basically, maybe in this signal section I have pretty some inputs. Simply I put all these input to be available for adjusting, but you don't need to use on if you want to optimize this EA. I don't know if you want to try to optimize. Just follow these rules. You don't need to optimize, for example, inside entry rules any of these shifts. So simply for this alligator, use this default value. Also, you don't need to optimize this K and D period for stochastic indicator. Simply leave these inputs as they are right now. Then also you can use this EA without stop loss and take profit, simply insert 0 here, and choose, and then expert will work only on the open of course open order when the signal entry signal is generated. Then expert will open market order, and when the condition for the exit signal is met, then this expert will close this active order. So also then my advice is to use these automatically trailing stop rules to be active. Let's take a look money management system. So you can click here, double click here, and activate this advanced money management system in percent. So if you activate, simply double click here, choose your risk in percent. Be careful because this is a pretty sensitive money management system, and start with decimal number. So for example, if you want to start with your trading with 1% of risk, simply use, for example, this 0.01. Then choose your decimal decrease factor, or for example, if you want to use these if these inputs you think it's more risky for you, simply deactivate, and all these two input below will be inactive. Then you choose your fixed lot size. I will show you how these expert work for a little later inside my strategy tester. So as I mentioned, you can use the stop loss and take profit, or you cannot use. Everything depends what you want. And that will be most interesting inside what we have inside this EA. So right now I'm testing two different strategy through two different settings on Euro USD, on the H1 and on H4. So for example, only difference it's of course these inputs here inside, because I optimize this EA for this time frame, and I use different magic number. Also you can use on the new chart also you can insert this expert on 10 Euro USD chart on H1, but in that case, and use different settings, but in that case use different magic number. Now let's take a look how this expert work inside our strategy tester. Just check, just a second to check it's everything okay. Everything is okay. Let's reset everything on the default value. Start. Okay, as you can see, pretty nice result. So check all these fields. So as you can see, it's a pretty recovery factor is pretty high. Then expected payoff is more than 3, Sharpe ratio is more than 6, and profit factor is more than 2. Now I will show you for what this EA is truly capable for. So just a second. Okay, already set it on H4. Then I will fire off this button again. What you say? Excellent. Profit factor more than 18. Expected payoff more than 150. Excellent results. So but in that case, I start with testing with 100. I use high leverage. I use higher leverage to get lower risk. Nothing else. Inside strategy tester, but in the real life it will be higher. So you can test, for example, you can let's choose 10,000 here, and use smallest leverage, for example, up to 100. Then we will check what is going on. So not bad. What is our risk? The same, exactly the same. So let's change this risk here, for example 0 point, I don't know, I just testing this. Maybe we got a bad result, I don't know right now. Okay, pretty nice. 19,000 profit. So be careful here. So for example, I will show you what I mean. So if you choose for example 111, it's a pretty high risk, because as I said, it's a pretty sensitive money management system. Maybe it will be loss, I don't know. Oh no. But our risk is too high. Let's choose for example number 2. So it's not possible, expert will not work. So let's choose for 1.5. No, it's not possible. So if it not work, so let's try to, for example, biggest leverage, and then choose start. Now let's choose biggest deposit, 25,000 for example. No, let's choose again one. Oh, that's what I'm saying. So if you choose too high percent risk in percent, then that will be happen, or everything will be lost. So let's check what's going on inside our strategy tester to see why is the loss everything. So because we choose one here, our first open position was opened with too high volume. Simply say too high volume, nothing else. So if you choose lower risk here, 0.01, when these experts start working and making money, then will be automatically your volume in the next and the next new order will be higher and higher, but your risk will be lower. Did you see what I mean? So take care about this, take care about this field, it's very important. If you want to risk, if you want to play game with this money management, simply deactivate and choose for example a fixed lot size. So let's check how much money we had, 25,000. Okay, we will use here, I don't know, one lot. Then I will check again what will happen. Okay, pretty nice. So your profit is smaller, but it's a safe way to trade using this EA. But my main idea behind this EA, this money management system. That's why these expert cost more than $1,000. You can try these expert for 1 year. 5 license cost only 65 USD, or you can buy the full license here. Simply. Let's back to the platform. I will try to find some more profitable settings. Just a second. Okay, I found some settings. So let's try this. I will leave H4, and then I will use 5,000 for the testing, and I will use lower minimal leverage. Just a second, and I will show you what's going on here. As you can see, we earn only $400. Just check a second to change this leverage up to 50. Okay, $2,000. Let's change this leverage on 100. 11,000. So our profit will be 6,000, I think. Yeah, that's right. But this profit factor is bad though, because I just show you this is not the settings that I have right now. Just I show you what's going on here and what you can expect from this EA. Okay, let's start testing more. So I found I forget which of these settings are nice. So right now I have these settings. I found these settings. I will change only here. I will use this higher leverage. Deposit is the same. Let's try. As you can see, 14,000. So these all these numbers is pretty nice, pretty nice. Let's for example, let's try again to change this our risk in percent. So let's try 0.2. These are high risk. Okay, 41,000 bucks, pretty nice. 36,000 bucks in profit, pretty nice, pretty nice. Pretty nice. That's why this expert price for this expert is 1.2k USD. So if you bought this EA, you will got for me these settings. Just a second, or some other settings because I will work on new settings in the coming days. Where is the new these settings? Now I have too many open window here. Just a second. H4, yeah, these settings. So that will be all for now, and I will make new video guide regarding this year when I got have some new information and new sets. That will be all. Have a nice day.